What's up guys, Ackeem here. So today in this video we're going to do the unboxing of this Nepal Magic Glow light bulb. As you can see, this is a 3U light, so it basically can show 3 different colors with this light right here. So I'm just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. So straight out the box we have the user manual that you can go through if you need more additional information and how to use this. So right here we have the bulb hanging clip. If you're going out camping and you want to hook up your light just to see, you can screw it into this part right here. So we have 2 of them that come inside for the 2 bulbs. Also guys, we have the bulb right here itself. So right here you can see where to charge it via a USB-C cable, where you can turn it on from right here. And this is where the indication shows. We have the green and the red light when showing it is charging, when it needs to be charged. Right here, looking like a speaker, basically the same thing. We have the USB cable as well. This is gonna use to charge it, and it's USB type C. We have the remote right here, on button. We have the off button, balance from the 3 different lights. So we have 3 different colors, brightness, up and down, 50%, 100%. We can set it as time as well. So we can set it to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or even 2 hours, which is 120 minutes. So as you can see guys, it's on right now. So I'm gonna change the color of the light right here. As you can see, we have the warm white, natural white, cool white. So I'm gonna put it on the cool white so you guys see. That's how it look. And this one right here, which is the warm white. So I'll put it on 50%, both of them. That's how it look. And 100%, that's how it look. And on the natural white, right here, that's how it look. Put it on 50% and on 100%. And last one I'm gonna test out is this one right here, cool white. That's how it look, that color right there, 50% and 100%. Now bear in mind that this does not work in your regular socket in your home. So if you try to screw it in and it will not work from the regular socket. For it to work, you have to plug it in with the charger that come inside to charge it up whenever it needs some charging. The indication right here shows when it needs to be charged. There's a little light which is gonna come inside right here. You can see the user manual for more detail on that. And yeah, this is how it looks. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful.